Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It's been raining for the past 2 days and this is about as bright as it's been. So I thought I'd run out here and go ahead and make a video before it started raining again. It's going to rain the rest of the day and all through the week. So let's see about using handheld boards and just taking and rolling a cotton ball and ashes fire roll in our hands in between two boards. This is the set of boards that we made out of that piece of pine, a top and bottom board. And here's the top board that we cut out of that white oak, used it on a stump. Let me go ahead and get this thicker one, and we'll try using these two together right here. So first thing I want to do is to put ashes on my top and bottom board. Second thing we're going to do that's a little unusual is only use about 4 inches of cotton and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes within that. Let's see how it turns out. We've still got big old drops of water dropping out of the limbs of these trees. All right. Now, let's go ahead and make up about 3 and see how many we can ignite like that. I hate being cooped up in the house though, you know it, on rainy days. I didn't get a chance to walk this morning because it was pouring rain this morning. All right, let's give this a try. Just tightening it up before I get started. All right. You can give up push-ups after you start doing this technique right here because you really have to squeeze your pecs in. It's really a great sort of combination, isometric, sort of dynamic exercise for your chest. Keep on rolling them until you see smoke. I'm going to turn this around and see if the board will do better this way. I see smoke. Good. Let's see if we can get 2 more. There's a constant wind blowing out here all the time. Let's try that right there. My roll is getting sideways. Yeah, it's starting to track. It's tracking true now. see smoke. I'd like to get it without stopping, but making it track is the problem. All right, one last try. Let's see if we can do it without stopping this time. Yep, it immediately turned sideways on me.
Turn sideways again. That's better. Should be it. Do I see smoke? Yeah.
I was going to say I must have gotten all uneven pressure since it just ignited up there, but it's ignited down here too. Kind of a fun little twist. Piece of glass. There you go. Now when you've got so much straw in your tinder bundle, you can't hold it like I do the pine needles. Pine needles, although they are burning down towards your hand a little bit, for the most part they're just burning upwards, so you can hold them a long time. But when it comes to straw, that straw is like igniting all at one time, and flaming pieces will drop on your hand, so you can't do straw the same way as I do pine needles. All right, y'all, we was able to get out here and knock one out in between the rain showers. I like that. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.